I love you so much.
Sir, your card is blocked.
What?
No. There has to be some mistake. Please try again. What?
What?
I lost my company. I lost all my money. Jessica, I guess you have to pay for the dinner.
No, I'm not paying for the dinner, nor will I marry someone who is broke.
Excuse me, sir, ma'am. If you won't pay the bill, I will have to call the police.
Okay. Who booked the table? Him. And who ordered the food and champagne? Also him. So you know what? Arrest him.
And Madam, but you had dinner together, didn't you?
Aww. The poor is protecting the poor.
Jessica.
Okay, I'm calling the police.
No need. I pay for it.
You?
What?
Why?
Okay. It's on you.
I'm so sorry. This is 3 times the dinner. Should make it up to you. Sorry. Thank you. Bye.
At that moment, I had no idea that fate had brought us together for a reason, or that this bankrupt millionaire would change my life forever. And this is my love story.
Zach, please help me. Come on, Zach. You're my best friend. Zach? Zach?